Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amit, your host for this episode. So in this episode, I'll be talking about how you can get certified in cybersecurity for free. So without further delay, let's get started. Alright guys, let's jump right into it. So today we will be discussing about world's largest cybersecurity professional organization, IC Square. IC Square is an international non-profit membership association that caters to information security leaders, offering them the resource, knowledge and support needed to stay ahead of the curve. With a community of nearly 330,000 members, associates and candidates, IC Square provides a platform for cybersecurity professionals to lead, learn, grow and thrive. So now, IC Square is offering free cybersecurity training which will help you get started in cybersecurity career. So in this video, I'll be explaining how you can register yourself for that training and get the voucher to sit for the exam. Alright guys, let's jump right into it. So head down to your browser and in your browser type www.isc2.org in your search box. Once you're in there, you will see Get Certified tab where you see the different certification that is being currently offered by IC Square. Just click in Get Certified button. Once you're in there, obviously you see the further information about the certification program that is currently being offered by IC Square. So in this certification program, we are interested more in the Certified in Cybersecurity program. So we're going to click on this. So once we're in this page, you can see introducing your ultimate starting point for an exciting career, Certified in Cybersecurity. So it says that this certification is really good for people who are looking to start their career in cybersecurity. So I highly recommend for those people to go through this and register yourself, get the training, get certified, start your career in cybersecurity. Choose your training plan, and the most importantly, we can see here this is a free cybersecurity training and it is now for a limited time only. So bear in mind guys, this is only for a limited time, and if you really want to grab this opportunity, just head down to the website and register now. Take the benefit of this training. This certification will definitely put your foot into the door. So let's continue. So click on choose your training plan, and once you're in there, you will see different training plans. Of course, there are some paid ones as well, but in this instance we are only interested in the self-paced plus exam. You can see is $0. So you just head down and click on register now. So now you need to register yourself, create an account with IC Square. It's very easy. You just put your details in and you just create an account. Alright, once you have created your account, this is the learning portal from IC Square where you can access your training plan, and I have already created my account, so I am already logged in, and you can see here I have official certified cybersecurity self-paced training available in my learning portal. So I click in here and I will see all the modules that I have to complete as part of this training. Once you have completed all these modules, you will be receiving a voucher from IC Square to book an exam. So once you have booked the exam, sit for exam and get certified. Well, thank you so much for watching this video till very end guys. I really appreciate your time. If you like this content, don't forget to hit that like button. If you want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe this channel as well. If you have or if you know someone who is interested to build their career in cybersecurity, don't forget to share this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care.